Imagine a world where we can predict and prevent diseases before they even occur. Sounds like science fiction, right? Not quite, thanks to bioinformatics. This multidisciplinary field is a game changer, combining biology, computer science, information engineering, mathematics, and statistics to analyze and interpret biological data. It's like having a superpower that allows us to decode the mysteries of life on a molecular level. Bioinformatics is at the heart of modern biomedical research, playing a pivotal role in a wide array of areas. Think personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to your unique genetic makeup. Picture preventive medicine, where potential health risks are identified and mitigated before they become problematic. Visualize drug discovery, where new medicines are found through the analysis of vast amounts of biological data. Now that we've grasped the significance of bioinformatics, how about we delve into some basic techniques? Bioinformatics techniques may initially seem complex, but they're actually quite straightforward once you break them down. Let's dive in. First up, we have sequence alignment. Picture this. You've got 2 or more sequences of DNA, RNA, or protein. Now you want to find out if they have any similarities. That's where sequence alignment comes in. It's like putting together a puzzle, aligning these sequences to highlight the similar regions. These regions can hint at a shared structure, function, or even a common ancestor. So in essence, sequence alignment helps us understand the relationships and commonalities between different sequences. Next, we've got genome annotation. Think of a genome as a book filled with biological information. Genome annotation is like using a highlighter to mark important sections of this book, the regions that can make proteins. It's a way of mapping out the genetic landscape, helping us understand what each part of the genome does and how it contributes to the organism's life. Lastly, we delve into molecular phylogenetics. This technique is akin to playing detective, using clues from the present to unravel the past. It involves studying the evolutionary relationships between organisms based on their genetic material. It helps us trace back the lineage of a species, providing insights into how life has evolved over time. Isn't it fascinating how these techniques help us unlock the mysteries of biology using the power of computation? We've journeyed through the intriguing world of bioinformatics, but what are the key takeaways? In essence, bioinformatics is pivotal to modern science, bridging biology and computing. The basic techniques we've explored, from sequence alignment to gene prediction, are fundamental tools. They unravel the complexities of life's code and have profound real-world applications, from disease diagnosis to drug development. Bioinformatics, thus, is not just a field of science. It's a tool that helps us understand life better, one sequence at a time.